Welcome to Specimen Spotlight. I am Rebecca Newberry, the Director of Collections Stewardship here at the Science Museum of Minnesota. Today we're going to learn how to tell the difference between fossil and replica elements in our dinosaur skeleton. So why do we have these two different things in a dinosaur? When we excavate a dinosaur, we never find the entire animal, so we have to fill in the missing parts of the skeleton when we mount it for display. So there's different ways we can do this. Traditionally, we've either cast pieces from other skeletons that look like they would fit there, or we've sculpted the replacement parts because we use an educated guess to figure out what that would look like. Now you can use 3D scanning and printing technology to either scale up or scale down a bone in the computer and then produce it, or to make like a left side and a right side. So with this Diplodocus, there's some really easy ways to tell the difference between which ones are fossil and which bones are sculpted. The easiest thing to look at is the bones that look kind of bumpy and all different colors. It looks like they have cracks in them. It looks like there's maybe strips of plaster in the middle of that. And some of them even have the actual field number written in big letters and big numbers on the bones. So those are the real fossil parts. And then the sculpted parts or the cast parts generally look more smooth. They're more of one color. They are, they don't have as many bumps. They don't have those visible looking cracks and glue lines and plaster. And then the other way you can tell the difference between the fossil parts and the replica parts is how they're mounted to the skeleton. So this whole skeleton has a steel structure, and the steel is either embedded in the bones or it's outside of the bones holding them. So the fossil parts have the steel on the outside, and the cast parts or the replica parts have the steel on the inside. So if you look at a piece and it looks all bumpy and there's like steel on the outside that looks like it's holding it, that's the fossil part. And if it looks real smooth and the steel's on the inside, then that's the replica part. Thanks for watching, and please stop by to see if you can tell the difference between the fossil parts and the replica parts in this Dinos and Fossils gallery here at the Science Museum of Minnesota.